One of my favorite prompts with ChatGPT is actually to help me improve the content of the book that I am writing. So, what you can do is copy and paste existing content that you have in a book that you might be writing or a blog post, etc., and just ask it to rewrite or indeed proofread the content. So, I'm just going to ask it to rewrite this, paste it in, and you can see it's going to actually rewrite it for me. Okay. So really, really powerful stuff. And then what's really good to follow up there is actually to ask ChatGPT to list the changes it made to the paragraph, to the blog post, to whatever piece of content you asked it to work on. So just put in, please list the changes you made. Okay, and away it goes, listing the changes. So it said that it condensed the opening sentence, it replaced this with that, it shortened the third paragraph, and so on. So not only will it help you improve your content if you're concerned that your content isn't good enough, and also then if you really want to learn more from ChatGPT, ask it to list the changes and then read the changes that it made, and you will start to become a better writer as well. So you can use it to make changes, and then you can use the changes to learn how to improve your writing style. This is one of the many prompts that we cover in our live workshop. The next one is tomorrow, Friday the 14th. Just go to johnnybyrne.com/live. Link is in the comments. If you miss tomorrow's event, please register. You will be notified about further live events, and you will be notified about recordings if the live date doesn't suit. So that's johnnybyrne.com/live, where we will be covering more great prompts with the wonderful ChatGPT. See you soon.